let's put this on YouTube. They're fun.
Maybe last year they did.
Yeah, but I'm watching that. You can watch them after.
Jeffrey fireworks.
It's getting me.